Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the greatest of them all?
Not you.
My name is Jody Bunting and this is my journey to my goal weight of 13 stone 2. Celeriac chips is what we're making on today's video. This is a celeriac and we're going to chip them today, which is a natural low carb food. Now the reason they are so low in carbs is because this has got a lot of fibre in it, therefore brings down the overall carbohydrate value. First of all, we need to wash it and then we're going to peel it and chop it up. Now apparently they are from the celery family, but it's more of a root. I have to admit, I haven't made one into chips before, so I'm going to attempt to peel it. Strange thing is, it really does smell like celery. It looks nothing like celery, but it smells like it. I think I'm going to have to use the knife. I'm going to make it into chip-like shapes. So I'm going to start by just horizontally cutting it. Go vertically. Nice thick chips. What we're going to do these is bake them, but what we need to do is cover them first of all in olive oil. So I'm going to make a nice little mixture. And then we're going to add to that oil, we're adding some pink Himalayan salt, which is my favourite nutritious salt. And then we're going to add paprika. On 200 degrees for about half an hour. And while that's in the oven, I'm going to make some guacamole. Add to my guacamole is just some crushed chilies. Of course you can add some garlic, you can add whatever you like, however you prefer. I'm just going to keep it nice and simple, get a little bit of salt. Mash that up. Let's have a quick check on them. Look at these. They actually smell a little bit like parsnips now they're cooking. They do actually look like real chips. For about 25 minutes. I'm going to give one a quick try. I soften the meal. I just want them crunching up a little bit more. So I'm just going to pop them back in for another 5 or 10 minutes. Obviously, depending on how your oven is, you might need to increase or reduce. 10 minutes later, oh yeah, perfect golden, crispy celeriac chips are served. Welcome to the tiki bar where we're enjoying our chips. Now I know it doesn't look much, but full of nutrients, and it's going to keep me full. Oh, and it tastes delicious. That's so nice. Wow, that was absolutely delicious. And I got my celeriac for 31p from Asda. Bargain.
One small celeriac works out about 66 calories, 14.4 grams of carbs. The calories in this whole meal: chili flakes 1, paprika 2, olive oil 477, celeriac 66, avocado 240, total 786.
Here we go, it's scales time again. So yesterday we got under 15 stone. Today we are 14, 12, bang on. Yay, another pound off. Time to absorb the vitamin D in this beautiful sunshine. And while we're here, we might as well get the pork scratchings out. Come on guys, dig in.
Remember, pork crackling is very high in calories. Per 100 grams, 650 calories. So unless you need to eat lots of fat, don't do it.
It's getting quite warm, so we decided to do a little bit of watering. There's only one thing left to water.
Overall, today's calorie intake was 1,241, which is on target. The macros today: 28 grams of carbohydrates, slightly over, but a massive 84% fat. Our projected weight loss for 5 weeks is 14 stone 3, exactly where we want it.